Why did my lower back all of a sudden act up out of nowhere? This is the question I get asked often, especially around the holiday times. My name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been helping people to removing the blockages that have been holding people back from living a life that they want to without drugs or surgery. Now, for many people, they realize that all of a sudden we've got vacations coming up, and all of a sudden the problems that they didn't think they had or weren't going on or didn't remember, all of a sudden stop them dead in their tracks. Now, this is a really common thing that happens in my office, and I find that right around holiday times, whether it's Thanksgiving or Christmas or Memorial Day or Labor Day or 4th of July, the practice winds up bursting. People wind up calling, needing emergency help. Now, the reason that that winds up happening is because as these holidays get closer, people begin to experience more stresses. A lot of times people wind up changing their diet and how they eat, so they become more inflamed. So the things that we used to do wind up causing them to break down. The other thing that people wind up doing is trying to participate in activities that they haven't done in a long time, and they think they can do them just as well as they did the last time when it's been several months away. One of the keys to managing all of these is addressing the three types of stresses that you run into: physical, chemical, and emotional. And we've got to address them all the time. You've got to have them as a part of your plan, a part of your life to wind up addressing and tackling. And there's a variety of different ways to do it. To figure out the best ways to attack your stresses, let's hop on a discovery call. You can do that down below. That way we'll spend about 15 to 20 minutes together figuring out the causes, the biggest causes, and what your best next step should be to wind up getting back to health, and so that the next holiday that you run into doesn't cause the episode that you just ran into. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.